How to cancel an H&R Block appointment. Follow these instructions. Go to hrblock.com and click on Sign In to access your MyBlock account. Once logged in, find and click on Manage Appointment under your dashboard. Select the appointment you want to cancel or reschedule from the list. Click the Cancel button if you don't want to attend, or choose Reschedule to pick a new time. Confirm your cancellation or new appointment time when prompted. You'll receive a confirmation by email or see it updated in your dashboard. If you have issues, call 1-800-472-5625 or 888-489-288 for help by phone. Thank you for watching.